Okay, guys, today we're gonna what's the ingredients and the review. I gotta remember to review this one in the same video because the last time I forgot and I had to do a separate video and then I gotta do an extra upload, which is more laziness. Okay, Big Chewy chocolate chip, 6% bitter granola bar. I have no idea why it says Chewy challenge number 45. Make a new friend, talk to a classmate you never talked before. Don't do that, you guys. Don't be an idiot. Don't talk to someone you haven't talked to before. Just leave them alone. You don't know if they're perverts or convicts, all that stuff. Net weight 1.45 ounce, 42 grams, 180 calories per bar. Chocolate chip. Okay, so these are the nutritious facts. So serving is 1 per serving, 180 calories, 50 fat, sodium 125 milligrams. Here's some of the ingredients. Whole grain rolled oats, brown sugar, brown rice, crisp, brown sugar, flour, salt, whole grain rolled wheat, soy, soybean oil, dried, dried coconut oil. Okay, just take a picture of the rest of this, guys, and then you could read that when you press pause. Okay, cool. Okay, we're gonna review this right now. Okay, that's not good. So this is how this crap looks. Okay, let's try it out. It wasn't too bad. It's way better than the other bar. I ate like 10 of these once. I would recommend. Make sure you get some water or something. Maybe guys, kind of, yeah. Feel good. Right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.